Caitlin? Okay. UFC SmackDown. Becca and Kim. Go? I don't know. Oh my god. There was a thump before they hit. Go! What is Becca? Power drive! No, wait, that's like a sexual position. Caitlin! Sneak attack him. Becca, get up! What have I taught you? Get up! Get up! Becca, down low! Down low, Beck! Yeah! Not quite. Look at Kim's hair. She looks like a peeling banana. Guys, do something exciting. Yeah, get her, Kim! Ew! No! Oh my god. Kim, you're gonna get a foot to the head.
I can't even reach your feet! Stop!
That's so gay.
That's a big toe.
She just farted. Sam is red.
Stop touching your feet. That's gross. Oh my god.
I win.
That was a bullshit fight.
Redo.
Say bye. Can we look like a peeled banana?